Greetings, my king. Honestly, as I am speaking with you right now, my brother is still proven stubborn. He doesn't want to say the truth. Our Umunna has deliberated on this same issue and we have decided to come meet you so you can, proceed your final judgment on my brother.
Igwe, may your days be long.
Sir.
Igwe, I am the current chairman of Umunne Kindred. Everything that my brother said here is true. He did not lie. We urge you to look into this matter so that you can take appropriate measure. We don't want such evil to replicate itself in our land again. Igwe, please.
Are you trying to say that the mortuary attendant really affirmed that it was your brother who came to the mortuary to remove your father's corpse?
Yes.
Yes, Igwe.
That was what Mr. Ozo said. He's even at the mortuary. If you want me to go, I can bring him here for him to say it before you. He can testify before you. My brother is a hardened criminal.
I don't understand this. Why will your brother do a thing like that?
Honestly speaking, my Igwe, I don't know why. I'm suspecting my brother. It's like that boy is a ritualist.
Yes.
Because I don't know what he'll be doing with my father's corpse. A dead man. I have arranged all this and I want to take him to court. It's because of the respect I have for you. That is why I want you to just give your final judgment, say what you want to say, and let's proceed. That's all.
That's okay. That's all right. This is what happens. I want you, the mortuary attendant especially, and some delegates from your Umunna. I want all of you to be in this palace on Friday. I will get to the root of this matter. Every one of you should be here.
My king, my brother is still at the police cell.
Then bail him so that he will be at the meeting. Get him out of the cell. Do you understand me? Get him out of the cell. I want him to be in this meeting. I want to get to the root of this problem.
Who's there? Obi. How come? When did you come back? Welcome. When did you come out from the police cell?
Not too long ago.
Who bailed you?
Emeka.
Which Emeka?
Our own Emeka.
Your brother Emeka?
Yeah.
Am I dreaming?
No, you're not dreaming. The policeman came to the cell and told me that I'm free to go. And I asked who bailed me. He said it was my brother. And I came outside and saw Emeka standing waiting for me. Then I entered the car, we came back.
Emeka brought you back in his car?
In his car.
Unbelievable. Maybe he has noticed that you are innocent.
I think so, maybe.
Welcome.
Thank you. Please, do you cook anything? I'm so hungry.
Yes.
So famished.
Just freshen up while I get something for you.
It's okay.
Okay.
I hope you're good.
Yes.
this?
What is the meaning of this?
Hey!
What is going on here?
What is going on?
Emeka, what is the meaning of this?
Where's my father's corpse?
You're asking me, why am I asking you?
Why are you asking me now?
Hey!
Abomination!
We left the mortuary with the corpse.
Yes.
And I saw this casket being dropped inside this ambulance.
Of course. Yes, we confirmed it. Yes.
So where is this? Where is our father's corpse?
What are you asking me? Where's my father's corpse? Where's our father's corpse?
Emeka, when we were coming, his car broke down on the road. Instead of you waiting for us, you left with the ambulance.
How?
With the casket.
How? Where's the driver? Where's the driver?
Emeka, let me ask you. Emeka, let me ask you. Did the ambulance branch on the way?
It's like you're mad. What kind of stupid question?
Where's the cops now?
What is stupid? You're trying to mess my friend.
Wait!
The mortuary attendant. Let's go as the mortuary attendant. Let us ask the mortuary attendant now.
Where's the mortuary?
Let us ask the mortuary attendant. We'll say no. I didn't rush anywhere. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me. Embarrassment.
Can you hear me?
It doesn't embarrassment. It's too much.
Emeka,
you must provide it.
Emeka.
Can you imagine? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Emeka.
No, maybe we should
Come
have
and
to-
provide that corpse now.
You.
Look for this guy now. How this guy provide this corpse? I'm bury this man now.
Get out.
Yaga.
Get out.
Emeka.
Where's my father?
Drop that gun.
Where is my father?
If I die,
Emeka.
If I die,
Drop it. Emeka. Emeka! Hey! Emeka, you your brother! Emeka, you your brother! Emeka!
Mama Ogini, what is it? Mama, talk to me. You're scaring me. What is the problem? Mama, talk to me now. Ogini. Jesus.
Hi, Ifeoma.
Hey, Mama.
I had a terrible dream.
Terrible dream. Hey, Mama, please. I'm already scared. Don't tell me about the dream now. Tell me in the morning. I don't want anything that will make me, I will not be able to sleep.
Hey. Jesus Christ.
Mama, sorry.
What is the time?
The time? Mama, it's 2:30 a.m. It's midnight.
Satan, you are a liar.
Amen.
I will not service negativity.
Amen.
Hold on. What is your problem? Huh? So after getting me arrested and have me locked up in the police cell, and you still have the guts to report me with the Umuna. Are you mad? Do you want to ruin my life?
Edozie, did you steal my father's corpse or not? Are you a thief or not? Well, for your information, I have already had meetings with the king of this land. And if you must know, he has asked all the members of this family to assemble in the palace by weekend. So, if you know what is good for you, we are going to the palace to settle this matter amicably. That is the only reason I bailed you out from the police station last night.
And you think I'm going to allow you tarnish my image in this village?
Edozie, I did not tarnish your image. You tarnish your image yourself, my friend. You tarnish your image yourself. And if you go to that palace and lie, you know very well what will happen. You face the consequences. If you like, go there and start saying all this nonsense you've been saying.
You want to ruin my life? Do you want to ruin my life?
Hey.
Yala.
Edozie, okay, is it?
You slap me. Yes, and I'll slap again, and I'll beat the hell out of you.
Edozie, you know Chris? Mama, you are here. You know, Papa, you are here. You are here, this bastard, this idiot. What do you call idiot? Are you stupid?
Hey. Jesus!
Allow this guy to tarnish my image. And you're supporting
somebody
him.
Must die today.
And you're supporting him.
Somebody must die. Excuse me.
Talk to him.
Slap me. Me. My God, Emeka. Space my stuff.
What are you looking for?
It's my stuff.
Say sorry.
You slapped me.
Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry.
Mama Chiganya.
Let me call you Falcon.
Hey!
Come out.
Hey!
I should come out so you come out. Let me finish you now. Mama, avoid me.
Why are you
avoid
wasting
me.
your bullets in the air?
Mama, avoid me. Step aside.
Mama, wait.
Mama, Mama, freestyle. I told you this before. I told you something. When it starts happening, avoid me. Mama, excuse me. Let me kill this bastard.
Mama, go ahead and kill me.
Take Mama out of you now. Mama, let me be. Allow me to kill this bastard here. Do not beg me. Don't even try it. Don't even try it.
I'll come there. I'll go there.
You're a bastard. Let me shoot his leg. Let me shoot his leg. Mama, clear. Shift one leg.
Shoot me.
Shift one leg.
Shoot me.
Let me shoot his leg.
Shoot me.
Let me.
If I die. If I die.
I must see
If
my
I die.
father's corpse. I must see my father's corpse.
They will look for you.
Because Papa's brother against his brother. He went on.
But you said you'll be here shortly. Why is he not here?
Chairman, thank God I met you at home. Hey.
What's the matter?
Hey. There is no problem.
What's the matter?
Chairman, is it not Chinyologo sons? Emeka and Edozie, they are in serious fight. In fact, as I speak.
What happened?
What else, Chairman? If not the same thing.
Edozie is shameless. After all I told him, he still went ahead to engage his younger brother in a fight.
Chairman, I came to call you so that we can go and stop that fight. These guys are in serious fight. In fact, Emeka has a gun with him, threatening to kill his brother if...
Let him shoot him. I will not go there. If he kills him, we will bury him. Yes.
Why are you talking like this, Chairman? I thought we are for peace.
Edozie is evil, and he deserves to die.
Oh, my Chairman, why are you sounding so personal in this matter? If we are not for peace, why did we involve ourselves in this matter initially?
I am not for peace in this matter anymore. I am for tit for tat, eye for an eye. That's my own.
You are not for peace? Chairman, I don't understand. So what is your own motive?
Okay. I should ask your motive too. My own motive is different from yours.
Chairman, I don't... Somebody threatening to kill his only brother, and you said you are not for peace.
I say let him kill him.
He should kill him?
Yes.
No problem. Chairman, I don't go buy an apple to this chairman.
If they even shoot you there.
Chairman, you know the best. You are this guy. I forgot the girls ready to run. Egbo man in the village, I'm going to make him pitch.
Go there.
Okay now.
So that if they even shoot you, there will be no problem.
Okay now.
Go there.
Nonsense. Yeah, let me kill someone in this village. Okay now. Okay, let them shoot me.
I should go there and separate fight.
Edozie, come out! Come out and face me if I will not shoot you to death right now. Are you crazy? Come out! Don't fire you.
Will you stop this madness?
Why
and put that gun away?
Put what gun away? Eh? Put what gun away? What do you worry yourself? Eh? Don't you know how we run things in the streets? Don't you know how to do things in the city?
But you are taking this.
Guy,
I don't like it.
This is my father I am talking about. I love my father so much. If he thinks he's not guilty, let him come out and face me. This useless man inside there is claiming strong. He's claiming a powerful man. Let him come and challenge me now. No, let him come. If I will not drop him dead. Come out. Micheal. Micheal.
You know what is ahead of us.
I don't care what is ahead of us. At this point, Mama, I do not care whatever is ahead of us. Let him come out and tell us where our father's corpse is. Eh? What are you even talking about? What are you even talking about? No, let me ask you, Mama. This man in question, is he not your husband? Is he not your husband? You, is he not your father? Am I the only one insane here? I don't know what I'm talking about.
Emeka Babagala.
Don't you know him? Don't you know this man?
Emeka, you Babagala. You're only mad.
The only thing I want right now is for him to come out and tell us where he kept our father's corpse. Simple and short.
Emeka.
If he comes out and tell us
Emeka.
now, over.
Emeka.
Over.
Emeka, you will not listen now. She don't want to listen, Okwaya. Ogini Nemegi, can't you see our mother?
Listen, I don't want to listen to anybody. Right now, I'm mad.
Ogini Nemegi, can't you listen?
I don't want to listen. You are taking this thing too far. I don't want to listen to anybody. Let him come out, very simple, and tell us where he kept my father's corpse. If he comes out and tell me, it's over. Once he comes out and tell me, it is over. Madman.
Emeka, see Mama. Emeka, see Mama.
Emeka, come.
Emeka, see Mama. Emeka, see Mama. See, don't try this thing. Emeka, see Mama.
Now, relax.
I am not going to open this door for you.
Babe, wait. I need to go out and show Emeka Pepe. I need to teach him a lesson.
Must you teach him a lesson?
Oh.
Eh? What are you doing with your match? You're going to feel like a
Chinwe, open this door. Unlock this door for me.
I cannot unlock it. Stop listening to what he's saying out there. Ignore him. The devil is at work.
I cannot ignore him. That boy is an idiot. I need to teach him a lesson of his life.
Please. I am begging you, Obim. He has a gun.
I'll follow up with you.
He almost shot you this afternoon, if not for the friend's intervention. Eh? Why do you want to go outside there again with him?
Do you want me to fall out with you?
I'm holding the key. I'm not opening this door for you.
I'll get angry with you.
I'm not ready to be a
Unlock this door for me.
Because Obim, you cannot go out there.
Brother against his brother.
Let him come out. Let him come out. You see today, we must settle this matter amicably. We must settle this matter amicably. Let him come out. Emeka. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. I will remain here until I settle this matter amicably.
So, do you think this thing you have in hand can settle this matter? It will only make it worse, Emeka.
Eh? Guy, you don't know what's going on. No? You don't know what is going on in my family. So stay out of this. Today, I will settle this matter today. Everything will happen today.
Emeka.
Nonsense.
Emeka, never mind.
Give my gun. Give my gun.
Mama.
I'm here.
Mama.
I am not a coward.
Not a coward.
I am not a coward.
Where is my father's corpse?
Do nonsense now. I'll bury him.
Where is my father's corpse?
I'm not talking rubbish.
Edozie.
Give him the gun.
Edozie. What do you like?
Give him the gun. Let him shoot. Here the gun.
Obiora, give my gun.
Obiora, give the gun.
Give me my gun. What is your problem?
Hold it there.
Give me my gun.
And if you do not shoot,
give me my gun. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Obiora.
Hey.
Mama.
Mama.
What is the meaning of this?
Give me this.
Mama, I will not give it to you. When he wanted to shoot at me, you never did anything. Now I have my own weapon, and you're acting up. I will not give it to you.
If anything happens to Mama, I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. Mama.
Hey, I will not repeat myself.
And I said, what's up in your man? I give her the machete.
Collect it now.
It's okay.
Collect the machete.
It's okay. What's the problem?
You may down again.
Shut up!
Give me.
Please. Give me that machete.
Nyami, what is wrong with all of you? What is wrong with all of you? I am looking for my husband's corpse. If there's somebody that's supposed to be mad in this house, that should be me, not you, not Emeka, not anybody!
Oh, well, I've heard all you said. I will attend the meeting, but before then, you have to do as you said. Oh.
I heard you mention 100,000. What is the deal?
None of your business. I'll be going out today by 4 p.m. Make sure you're around because of emergency. I'll see you finally.
Listen. Uzua is mischievous character. I heard him mention 100,000 naira. Must be up to something.
Everybody is a suspect. Get ready to fight you.
Thank you, my daughter. I have some clothes inside the house. Why did you help me wash?
Papa, I can't wash now. That will be later. I'm very tired. Just finish cooking. I should go and wash clothes.
Okay, it's okay. Maybe you do later. I'm not saying it must be now. Oh?
But Papa, I have something I want to discuss with you. And it's very important. I need to tell you now before you go to Chilimigo's house.
Something you want to tell me? Please let me finish this meal first.
No, Papa, it's very important. So I just need to tell you now before you go. I know why. I had a dream. Papa, you know that's my dream, baby. It must come as a bee. The man is not happy about his corpse. He said, you people are accusing the wrong person. Papa, he's not happy with the family. He said that innocent man is being accused innocently.
So what are you trying to tell me now? What are you trying to tell me now? If he's innocent, now who is guilty?
Papa, my message is telling me it's a dream. I'm just interpreting the dream for you.
Please don't tell me about this.
Are you hungry?
Allow me to eat my food. Go and get me the table. Let me eat.
You're angry with me?
Joseph.
For dream, why dream?
Joseph alone.
Obi, the Umuna are here and they are asking of you.
Why are they asking of me? Why? I was never told of that meeting, so go and tell them that I'm not coming.
Don't say that. You have to go out there and defend yourself.
They can go ahead and say whatever they want to say, I don't care.
Obi, stop saying these things. Stop behaving like this. Eh? Why can't you just go out there and listen to whatever they have to say?
I said I am not going. Go and tell them.
They are going to make a judgment behind you. What's the difference? You just going out there and... Obi, I urge you to go out there and defend yourself, please.
I will not go. Okay? I will not. They should go ahead and do whatever they want to do. I'm not in
So
that
how are
plan.
they supposed to know that you're innocent?
I've tried to explain myself to them several times, but they do not want to understand. So I am done explaining. If they know where they kept my father's corpse, they should go and look for it.
Hoping.
Okay, I am done with these people. Okay? Understand me, please.
Before we start this meeting, can someone help us call a dossier? His presence is needed in this meeting. Very important.
Yes. Very important.
Ifeoma, go and call your brother.
Ha! Mama I'm not going to call him. He has phone. You both should call him on the phone because I'm not going to call him.
Freestyle. Mama, let me go and call him. Let me go and call him. He's coming already.
Edoze is here already.
Better for him. Better for him.
Edoze, please come and sit down.
Come and sit down. No, we have 2 chairs.
Sit down.
Your wife should sit. You sit.
Excuse me, sit down.
Simple
for
and short.
Why this gathering?
We have a meeting.
No one told me about this gathering, so why am I sitting down?
At least respect the umuna. Sit down now.
Edozie, don't worry. Sit down. We'll explain to you why we called for this meeting. I am not sitting. You think I don't know why you're here, so you perfect your evil plans. Yeah? There's no way I will sit down for this meeting because no one told me about this meeting. Yes, they say respect is reciprocal. So you don't expect me to say, I'm still the first son of this family and the head of this family. So I deserve some respect. So I'm not sitting. This meeting should be rescheduled.
You lie.
Because I don't know about
you. Lie. You don't say you're a liar. You are a liar. Man, let me talk to this idiot. You're a liar. You think you are scared of you? Eh? Do you think I'm scared of you? This meeting can never and will never be postponed by you. This meeting was scheduled by the Umuna, and look at them, they're here. Don't you have respect? My friend, will you sit your useless ass there and listen to what they have to say? Eh? In fact, where's my father's corpse?
Emeka, Ewu, Anumano. You are a flying monkey.
Have you seen it?
You are a bizaga.
Are you seeing it?
So you want to instigate this man against me? Eh? This boy here knows about my father's corpse disappearance. You planned it with also to sell off my father's corpse. You think I don't know? You just have to tell them the truth. Else, what I want you riffing now?
Illiteracy is a disease. Honestly speaking, illiteracy is a disease. My friend, will you sit down there and listen to what we have to say?
Don't say plan. It was a plan with also. It was a plan with also. I have the proof. I can prove it.
Edozie,
Yes.
are you sure of what you're saying?
He knows the whereabouts of my father's corpse.
You're sure?
Yes, very sure.
Are you asking sure? This boy is a liar. He has been lying from scene 1.
Okay, I'm lying, right?
Yes, you're lying.
I'm lying. Everybody, look at this. Everybody should look at this. This is the receipt that shows that the corpse of our father left the mortuary. Have you seen it? Emeka here signed this receipt with my signature just to frame me up. When you signed it, look at it. It was his plan with Ozo.
How did he get the form? Ozo has betrayed me. No wonder he is not here as he promised. How much did Edozie give him?
Oh, all of a sudden you're silent. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth.
They go for that car side. They go that car side. Stop me here, stop me here. Stop here, stop here.
Okay, you never reach you.
And I won't stop here, no one go again.
Okay, what's happen now? You never reach where you say they go now.
I don't want to get again, no day.
What's going to happen now?
How much be your money?
My money na 1K.
Eh?
My money na 1K. Thank you. Na 1K.
Give me to the talk.
I know give you change, me. I know give you change.
I gotta go.
No vessel.
Me, I'm not going again. It's better I don't go again. Yes. I cannot continue this mission. I want to go again. Bye-bye. Me, I don't want to go again. I need to leave this city as fast as possible. I'm telling you.
You made me so proud today, even more than the way I expected it. Now everybody is blaming Emeka.
Okay. You just have to, prove Manka they will be insulting you anyhow. Just have to.
You don't have any proof to that. Yes, Emeka, my brother, is innocent. He knows nothing about our father's missing corpse.
As long as I am concerned, he forged my husband's signature because he did not sign that.
Do you have proof? Can you prove it? Do you have proof to that? Do not rejoice. Yes, because my brother I know is innocent. His hands are clean. Besides, the Umuna has not decided.
Keep waiting until Umuna decides. Emeka must provide our father's corpse, whether he likes it or not.
See who is talking. Onyoshozu is the person that knows about the missing corpse. Is even the person that is talking. Anyway, no problem. Your plans has failed though. You failed and you will see it. Come and provide our father's corpse so. Because Emeka, my brother, is innocent and it's you. Now you go hide our father's corpse. Oh, Gizoria. Oyoshozu. But no problem. They will expose you very soon. You will see it. You have failed.
It is you that have failed. You're a failure.
Ifele me wunu. Give one away. Ibegi no na obodo oyibo na ezu ozu haisi. Go in leba na ezu ozu no. Ifele me wogi. Then no yenka. Oyo shabe na spy. Okwalun. Nah.
Evil people. Ostracized human being.
Don't mind her. Don't mind her.
Yeah. You will see. Ndala.
Yeah, call Bokata Dikeh. Dina ba reject here.
Two people.
Two. She's frustrated.
It's quite obvious. I've never seen a frustrated mama like her in my life.
Sister from the pit of hell.
Somebody betrayed me today. Emeka, you have to calm down. But I see that person, he must face the consequences.
Emeka, please make me understand. Who is the person that betrayed you? Who is he and how did he or she betray you? Please explain to me.
Imagine the form I was expecting from the mortuary attendant was the exact form my brother, my so-called elder brother, presented to the Umunas. And then he told them that I forged the signature. Can you imagine? No, you tell me. Is that a betrayal?
Calm down. I want to understand things. Do you have anything to do with the mortuary attendants? Because I don't understand all these things you are saying.
Imoma, are you mad? What sort of stupid question is that? Are you now against me or for me?
I'm not against you. I'm not against you. It's just that the things you are saying here is confusing me. Do you have anything to do with the mortuary attendants?
Hey. Just hold it there. It is clear that you're suspecting me. I'm here telling you something as a friend and you're here suspecting me. Is that so? Now be listen. And listen really good. An enemy identified is an enemy discharged. Stay away from me from today.
Mama, come on, enter car, let's get up.
Hey, don't even try it. You want to enter my car? Are you mad? You want to enter my car? My friend, will you live here? You're suspecting me, you're telling me nonsense. Get out! Get out! You see you, everybody in this village, I will prove you all wrong. I will prove you all wrong.
Wait, Emeka, Am I the person you are pushing away from your car?
I am not only pushing you away from my car. If you see me, run. Avoid me. Anumanu. I will match you to death.
Are you not the one that bring me here?
I will match you to death.
Are you not the one that bring me here?
Avoid me. Avoid me.
Omenoko, what do we call this one? Huh? What do we call this? First it was a dossier. Now the music has changed and all fingers are pointing at Emeka.
Whether the fingers have shifted to Emeka or not, the truth remains that one of them knows what happened to their father's corpse. That's the bottom line.
You are right, Omenoko. You are right. But don't you think that we, the Umunna, we should visit also the mortuary attendant? He's the only one that can tell us the truth.
That is if he will be fair enough. If they have not brought him over, you should think about that.
You have a point there. You have a point. Can't we involve the police in this case?
What are you saying? We should involve the police on a case that has to do with someone's family? No. Why are you saying this?
What are you saying, Chairman? Chief Chiologo was our member. So we should treat his case as ours.
It is his family members who will involve the police. We, the Umunna, can only give our support.
No. I disagree with you, Chairman. I disagree with you.
You disagree with me?
Yes.
Who are you to disagree with me? You cannot disagree with me. Who are you?
Come, Chairman. That you are the chairman does not mean that you have superior power over your members' opinion.
So what will you do?
What will I do?
You cannot change it. And any effort toward that will be effort in futility. You cannot do that. Even the chairman cannot endorse it.
Hey! Chairman, is this what you're saying?
Amanwa, if you don't have anything to say, leave my house.
I should leave your house?
Go, leave my house. Move.
I should leave your house?
Yes. Leave my house.
Okay. I will try my best to share my opinion with other members of the Umunna, and I will do my best to convince each and every one of them.
You're saying nonsense.
This is serious.
Get out.
So it's no longer a dossier but Emeka. What kind of confusion is this?
Ifeoma, Mama, what happened in that dream was exactly what displayed there this afternoon. I don't know who to trust again.
Mama, what exactly are you insinuating? So you want to allow what Edoche said get into you? Oburia?
Both of them are my sons.
But we know who the guilty one is.
I have to be very careful at a time like this. You see that dream? It means a lot, and I'm yet to understand it.
Mio, I know that there is no way Emeka, my brother, will never go and forge Brother Edoze's signature.
How do you know, Ifeoma? Can you prove it? You can prove where?
Mama, what does it go? All of a sudden, you now have change of mind. So, everything Brother Edoze has said now sink into you. You now believe him over Emeka that is very, very innocent. Mama, why are you trying to complicate issue here just because of a male dream?
I need to find out the truth. At this point, I am not accusing anyone in particular. All I need to do is to devise a means to find out what happens to my husband's corpse. Makia Abaraka. There is more to it.
At this point, I am very, very disappointed in you.
Yes, I'm very, very disappointed in you. Mama, Emeka, I know, is very, very innocent. And if Edozie like, let him go and be singing praises and be singing everything into your ear, I will always believe my brother, Emeka. And I know he will never do something like that. Mama Biko, half marker.
Ifeoma, are you walking out on me?
Before Uncle.
So tell me, how did you know that it was Emeka that forged your signature?
He has done it once. Years before I married you. Some time ago, I was very sick. And while I was in the hospital, my signature was needed by the company that wanted to give me a contract. So I called Emeka to go and meet with the company and collect the papers for me to sign. Only for him to come back and told me that he has signed the papers. Unfortunately, I looked at it and saw that it was my original signature. Yes.
Are you serious?
I've never thought of it until this morning. He moved my father's corpse from the mortuary and paid Ozu to turn the story around. I'm sure he has gone to the office because I saw the shock on his face.
I saw it too. But no matter what, you made me so proud. Take 5.
Edozie,
Mama?
I want to see you outside. Immediately.
Fighting each other, we not solve this problem. Let us unite and look for solution.
Why this is your emergency? Is hospital management aware of this your travel?
Will you stop access to people? How can I travel without informing them? Then I want to hand these documents over to you. I cannot travel without the know.
Hey, thank God I met you here. Thank God I met you here. You, something. Thank God I met you here.
How many times will I want you to stop badgering in my office?
Thunder fire you and your useless office. What have you done? What did you tell my elder brother? What did you tell my brother? Hey, shut, I'm not done. The same form you asked me to come and take for 300,000 naira. Why did you give it to him?
Is that why I shouted? Like this is a mocha, we don't shout here.
What? Is that what you have to say?
Okay. Leave here now because I will invoke the spirit of your father.
If you like, invoke every spirit. Invoke whatever spirit you have. Huh? Little brat. You think I'm talking with you? If you like, invoke whatever spirit you want to invoke. I don't care. I will dismantle and dishandle every... Where's my father's corpse?
Okay, you looking at what? You looking at that?
Look there! Emeka! Where's my father's corpse? Where is my father's corpse? You have my father's corpse. You have my father. If I don't see my father's corpse now, I will kill you here and right now.
Emeka, are you fighting also because of what he told your brother?
He's angry because I'm about to expose him now. Yes, he's behind everything that has been happening. He moved his father's cup and bribed me to hang it on his brother's head.
Jesus
I've been giving me money. I cannot lie again now. My conscience is flooding me and
Say the truth. The truth is set us.
Mama, I am surprised. I'm so surprised that this is coming from you. So you actually saw him in your dream? Huh? You, of all people. I'm happy that this is coming from you. Because you never believed that I did not take away our father's corpse from the mortuary. You never believed it.
Chukwudozie, you would have done the same considering what Mr. Ozu said about you. Now I want us to tread with caution and find out who is behind this.
Oh, Mama, you now want to tread with caution because you know I'm no longer involved and you think that is fair. You're not being fair, Mama.
Nam, I called you out so that we can put heads together. Fighting ourselves every day in this house will not solve this problem. Piccolo.
Mama, the fight has just begun. Yes, you better call your son to come back and tell us where he kept our father's corpse. Okay, you now want to tread with caution. Eh? After all I've passed through in your hands?
Edozie. Chukwu Edozie. Can you listen to your mother, my son?
Oh, you don't call me your son. So I'm your son. I thought you said I'm never your son again. Mama, call Emeka to come back and tell us where he kept our father's corpse. I will not rest till I see to that. I will not rest till I see to that, Mama. I'm serious.
Chukwu Edozie, please do not walk out on me.
I am not walking out on you. I'm going to wait for Emeka's return.
Fighting each other, we not solve this problem.
What kind of problem is this? Eh? How do I tackle this? Hi, God the Father.
No, what? I don't understand. What are you talking about? Eh? Did you believe those lies from Ozo's mouth? Is that what you're saying?
Emeka, they are not lies. You forged your brother's signature and made all of us believe that he was the one who moved your father's corpse from the mortuary.
Chimoniko, this is a joke, right? You're just joking with me. Eh? It's a joke, right?
How can an old man like me be joking with you? Look, just keep quiet and cooperate with me so that I will not expose you.
How can you say such a thing, Chimoniko? Eh? How will I forge my own brother's signature? For what? I did no such thing. No wonder you are saying I should free also. Eh? You actually brought me out to say this nonsense. Well, I can't listen to you, excuse me.
Emeka, if you walk out of me, I'll be left with no option but to go to our people and tell them all I know about this. So, just cooperate with me so that I will keep my mouth shut.
I will not cooperate with you because I did not do anything. Go and tell them I don't care. I am innocent. Huh? What are you talking about? Excuse me. Evil people. I must see my father's corpse.
You are walking out on me. Don't worry. I will expose you. I will go back and tell them all you did. I will expose you.
My son, I advise you desist from that house. Grace family is cursed.
Mama, how can you say that? How can you say that the family is cursed? Huh?
Didn't you see what has been happening in that family since they lost their father? Up till now, their father's corpse is still missing.
Mama,
huh?
That does not make the family a cursed family. Eh? It can happen to any family.
God forbid. It will never happen in my family. It will never. Did I need to tell you that one of his sons has used their father's corpse for ritual? Did I need to tell you?
Mama is right. Brother, please, you need to stop going to their house so that people will not label you as one of them. Because stop going there.
Obiora, your sister is right.
Mama, nobody will stop me from going there. As a matter of fact, I have made it a duty that I, Obiora, will see to the root of this problem. Yes, I will see to it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to assist them until we find out the person behind this. You gotta go? So you cannot stop me from going there.
Obiora, you are making a mistake. Oh. Don't bring us into my family. I am telling you now, you wouldn't listen to me, Obiora.
Now you not come back. Now you not come
Obiora,
back.
what the money modu dey see no la Obiora.
Brother, come back.
Obiora.
Why can't you unite
Brother, come back.
and fight this battle brother against this brother?
Warn him.
Why should I warn Emeka? Chukwedozie, give me one reason why I should warn Emeka. Opanama Yobuke, but you wouldn't listen. Is it not the same matter that led to the fight?
Mama.
You were planning on killing your younger brother for nothing.
Is this what you said?
Is it not what you planned? Did you not plan killing Emeka before Obiora became the victim?
But Mama, he made the first move. With machete. Uwadana.
Hey! Onyashi! Brother, you're lying. Brother, you can lie. I've never seen anybody that lie like you. Mama, it's a lie. You see this, my brother? He was there. Oh. His wife now slapped Emeka. He could not even say anything.
If I dare stand up from this place, he ain't get me. I'll just give you a dirty slap. Are you mad?
Why would you slap her? Huh? You think I've not heard? She told me everything. Chinwe has no right to slap my son.
Did she not tell you what led to the slap?
Whatever that led to the slap, Chinwe, and we're all right to slap Emeka, and you did nothing about it.
Mama, stop saying this.